Batman and Robin are patrolling the streets of Gotham City. Suddenly, the bat signal appears over Gotham City. Suddenly, Batman and Robin notice smoke rising from the buildings downtown.
Holy smoke, Batman! What's that?
It looks like Bane is at it again. This time, he has a dragon and a little help from his friends.
Jingle bells, Batman smiles, Robin laid an egg. The Batmobile, lots of trailing Joker got away. Hi, I'm right here.
In the sky, high over Gotham City, Bane and his evil buddies are riding a two-headed dragon.
Prepare for defeat, Batwings. This will make you a short night for you and Boy Wonder Pants.
Holy fire breath, Batman. Bane is riding a dragon and he's got company. I don't want to fight, Bane, but if that's the way you want it. Look out, fellas. This is going to be a bumpy ride. In an attempt to beat the dynamic duo, Bane drops the Riddler off of the dragon. Missed. I'll try again. Missing on his first attempt, Bane drops the Penguin on Batman and Robin. Finishing the job, Bane drops the Joker on Batman and Robin. Oh. Missed again. Bane jumps from the dragon's back and lands directly on Batman. You may be tough, Batbones, but I'll break every one of them. I don't think so, Bane. I don't think so, Bane. Kapow! Bap! Holy snake scales, I've never seen a real dragon up close before. I hope he doesn't spit fireballs at me. I just cleaned my Robin suit. Batman continues to battle Bane. It's a fierce fight. Smoke rises from the dragon's mouth, and the Boy Wonder has an idea. I have an idea. The Boy Wonder returns with an ice cream. Here, Mr. Dragon, have a cool, refreshing ice cream. The dragon takes a bite of the ice cream that Robin has bought. The dragon is happy. I love cotton candy ice cream, my favorite. I've loved it since I was a dragon pup. Meanwhile, Bane and his buddies have knocked Batman out cold. I am victorious, Batman. Now you shall die. Holy sleeping pills, dragon. Batman's out cold. Not so fast, Bane. Your little crime spree is over, Bane. I'll get you for this, Batman and Boy Wonder. Thanks, dragon. You saved us a lot of trouble. No problem, Robin. Thanks for the ice cream. It really hit the spot. I'll fly these guys to Arkham Asylum where they can have all the ice cream they want on their long vacation. Let this be a lesson to you, Bane. Treat your friends nice, and they'll treat you nice. Treat them badly, and you could end up in a bad place. Have fun on your vacation. See you in 15 years. Robin, I have a horrible headache. What happened? I don't really know, Batman. It was kind of like a fairy tale with dragons, ice cream, and a league of super villains. Well, Robin, are you in the mood for an ice cream? I think so, Batman. I've worked up quite an appetite. Once again, the Caped Crusader and Boy Wonder have saved Gotham City from evil. And now they have a new friend, the two-headed dragon.